Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at Deskpro's Kanban mode. So Kanban is a work management system that's designed to help you visualize your work, reduce work in progress and maximize your team's efficiency. So to view your help desk in Kanban mode, you want to click this icon up here, and this will take me from my mind queue to viewing it in the Kanban board view. So one of the great things about Kanban is that it's super flexible. So right now we have my tickets grouped by sales stage. So this is a really useful view for teams that have set processes like a sales team, but it can also be used for general project management or development teams. All of these categories up here can be completely configured by your admins to just make it fit the project you need and the flows that you use. So right now you can see who the user is on a card right here and the agent that's associated with it, me, and I can add as many fields as I want. So you can look into the view up here and you can add different properties. So I can add labels that are associated with the ticket. I could add something like the custom field, what do they need help with? And it just shows me that on the card. Right now you can see that there's a little bit less space now, but one of the really flexible things about our Kanban view is you can decide the size of the card. So you've got small, medium, or large. I'm going to make it large, and now it gives me great visibility over the field on the card. So also, one of the other things you can do is you can mass action tickets. So if I select a column up here, this opens the mass action feature, which lets you mass action different tickets. So I could change the status, change the assigned agent, change the team. But also, when you have this selected, if you've got a whole column selected, you can actually mass drag and drop the different cards. And then now that I've moved everything out of my qualified queue, I can just collapse it really easily with the arrows here. So one of my tickets that are open is with Sally Hill, and she's concerned about the pricing changes, and she's in my evaluating stage. So if I go into her ticket, I can see that I've added a note saying that Sally's presenting the pricing information to her stakeholders. So this might move her from being in the evaluating stage to the deciding stage. So I can either move her here, or I can go back to my Kanban board with this handy little back button and just drag and drop Sally's card into the deciding stage to update her information. This is just some of the really great things that's available with our Kanban view.